Hi, my name is Mark Alexander, sports physiotherapist of the Australian Olympic team in Athens and Beijing and the designer of BAKBALLS. Let's now have a look at how BAKBALLS can treat pain in your neck and also relieve headaches. So this technique is for when you have pain in the upper part of your neck or even if you have headaches. So if you hold the balls in that position and now lie down on the bed for me, that's it. Now the balls are positioned in the upper part of your, what we call the cervical spine or the neck, exactly where the muscles attach onto the base of the skull. So you can feel the balls exerting pressure in that position. It's great for neck pain as well as the neck headaches that you can get in the upper part of your spine. If you're using it on the floor at home, you may find it rolls down, so just use your hands to stabilize like that. Now, if you have pain more on one side of the neck than the other, what you can do is just very simply rotate your head across, and you can feel that increases the pressure on that side, or rotate the other way. And what you're feeling is the balls are, when you rotate your head, the balls are applying more pressure onto one side, and that's commonly where you get tight muscles and sore joints. So what we advise is for you to do is to lie on the balls for around 4 to 5 minutes, or maybe longer or maybe less, depends on how long it takes for that pain to reduce. Just make sure at home you don't fall asleep on the BAKBALLS, because it can actually be very comfortable and feels fantastic, but I have had some patients fall asleep and it's advisable that you don't do that.